questions tonight about whether a medical device implanted in thousands of women is actually making some of them sick.
Investigator Melissa Yeager reveals what she found about the type of birth control Essure.
Essure's manufacturer boasts that it is safer, less expensive, and less invasive than going through surgery for a tubal ligation, or what most refer to as having their tubes tied. But some women told us the device has changed their lives, and they want it off the market. Searching for permanent birth control after the birth of her fourth child.
Can you get us some water?
Jolene Fuller says her doctor recommended Essure. He explained he would insert a spring coil into her fallopian tubes during an office visit. The device would cause her tubes to scar over and have the same end result as a tubal ligation without the downtime associated with surgery.
We did research it. We didn't find anything bad on the product. So we thought it was okay to do.
Still feeling pain 2 weeks after the procedure, Jolene went back to her doctor.
He showed us, he put it in his hand, the Essure coil, showed my husband and me and wiggled it in our face and said, there's no way this can be causing you this amount of pain.
Jolene's stomach also swelled like you see in this picture.
I was terrified because I didn't know what was going on internally.
Searching for answers online, she discovered a Facebook page for women concerned about their Essure implants. On the page, hundreds of other women describing problems with the device. Women like Jeannie Esther. The mother of three says she hemorrhaged from a cyst that she believes formed after getting the device.
My problems big time is the cyst. That's my number one. On top of that is the cramping. It does not stop. I'm pretty much always in pain.
The complaints on Facebook mirror more than 838 adverse reaction reports from patients and doctors on the FDA's website. Our investigation found doctors reported problems with the device misfiring or breaking in patients more than 150 times. 80 complaints say the patient ended up pregnant. We also found more than 150 cases where the device moved and in many cases perforated the fallopian tubes or uterus, and 91 where the woman needed a hysterectomy to remove the device.
Can you find Mommy a cup?
That's exactly what happened to Jolene. X-rays eventually revealed the device moved and lodged in her uterus.
I was told that they had never seen anything like this before and that it may mean a hysterectomy.
And how old are you?
I was 25 at the time.
25 years old and you had a hysterectomy.
Well, I had it a year later. At the age of 26.
After the surgery, Jolene says she immediately returned to normal.
It actually has the lowest rate of failure.
Dr. Danielle Stacker at the University of Kansas Hospital was involved in the clinical trials of Essure at a hospital in Baltimore. She believes Essure is safe and offers fewer potential complications than a tubal ligation. But she says only for the right woman, those who are not allergic to nickel.
They're made of titanium steel with a little nickel.
When originally approved by the FDA, the device advised women to have a skin test done before getting Essure. However, in July 2011, the manufacturer convinced the FDA to remove that skin test warning and sent out a press release saying the label change expanded the number of potential patients who could use Essure. Yet in the FDA database, we found doctor after doctor reporting allergic reactions to the device. In each case, Conceptus responded by saying women with nickel allergies shouldn't get Essure. A spokeswoman for the company that now owns Essure, Bayer, told us the company believes the device is safe and the current label does warn about possible nickel allergies. She told us, at Bayer, we care about patients and take the safety of our products very seriously. We are saddened to hear of any serious health condition affecting a patient using one of our products, irrespective of the cause. However, the company feels the problems reported reflect a small percentage of the more than 750,000 women who have received the device worldwide. Jolene and Jeannie say their doctors told them the amount of nickel was not enough to cause allergies, and now they say they face large medical bills to fix problems they say the device caused.
There is a common denominator. We all have Essure.
And one thing everyone in this story agrees with, really research and talk to your doctor about what birth control method is right for you. And Mark and Krista, the next thing is probably not going to make me very popular with the men, but Dr. Stacker says the first recommendation for permanent birth control that she gives is for men to have a vasectomy because it is less invasive and can be done in an office visit.
That's true. You'd be right back out on your feet.
It's so sad to think at 26.
And we tried to ask the FDA, and we were in conversations with them.
Yeah.
We're still waiting to get information, obviously, because of the shutdown, but they were in the process of researching what happened on their side for us when that
really
happened.
research that. All
right.
right.
I look forward to that. Very eye-opening. Thanks,
Thank
Melissa.
you, Melissa.